I'm gonna show you how to create an Babypips account on mobile. So to get started, you have to open first your application. Since we're going on mobile, we're going to use Google Chrome, and then from there you just have to type in babypips.com, and then from here you just have to click on babypips.com right there. And then once you're on the website or on their page, you just have to click on the three dash on the upper right corner and then click on join in. And then from there you will be redirected to the next page where you can sign in using your sign in with Google or Facebook. So I'm gonna choose sign in with Google, and then from there you just have to input all your credentials, and then you are going to be redirected right here. Just have to input your username, and then you can change also your profile. So from there I'm just gonna click on create account, and then you're all set. You just have to click let me in, and then from there you're done. You can check your account by clicking on the dash right there. You can see that the homepage, you have now an account on Babypips. So that's how you create an account on Babypips app on mobile.